Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So, welcome back. As I told you, in today's small tutorial we're gonna go and talk about a situation I know you have run into. You find a fantastic website, maybe a company blog, a niche publication or a research site, and you want to follow it in Feedly. You copy the link, paste it into the search bar and nothing happened. No feeds found. So this site doesn't have an basically RSS feed, and without the RSS feed, most feed readers can't pull content from it. So you are stuck either bookmarking it and remembering to check manually or just giving up entirely. But the good news is, Feedly has a feature called the RSS Builder that solves this exact problem. It lets you create your own RSS feed for almost any website, even that website doesn't basically offer one natively. You just tell Feedly which part of the page contains the articles you want, and it builds a feed that works like any other source in your account. The only catch is, according to many official documentations, the RSS Builder is available for Pro Plus and any enterprise users only. So free and Pro users don't have access to this feature yet. But if you are on a paid plan, we can easily access it. So fast and easy as usual, let's go get it. First and first, we want to go here, for example, look for these options. As you see, integrations, upgrade, go all the way to upgrade, then look for Pro Plus and tap on subscribe now. Then you can easily build the RSS feed for a website without RSS. That's your idea. So thank you all for watching and I'll see you all in the next video.